Let's see a little trick on how we can post a long video on your WhatsApp status. I'm going to open my WhatsApp application and then I'll tap on the little plus button in order to try and add a video to my WhatsApp status. I can try recording a video from my camera, but that is going to give me a 30-second limit. And when I try to add a long video from my camera roll, for example this video of my PC, then it's going to give me the option to trim a 30-second part of my video. My video is over 1 minute long, and I can't post the whole video to my WhatsApp status this way. They will ask me to trim my video, but there is a little trick that we can do and post this whole video on my status. What we will do is to exit the WhatsApp application, and then I'm going to go over my App Store or my Google Play Store and search for a video splitter application. You can select any video splitter application, but I recommend you select this specific app. This app will split our video into 30-second pieces, and that is just what we need for our WhatsApp status. Once you download this app, you can open it, tap on the screen, and then select the video from your camera roll. Here is my video, right here, so I will select it. The app is going to compress the video a little bit, and the next step that you want to do is to tap on this button called Make 30-Second Splits. We will then wait a couple of seconds until the app does its thing. And we have to allow this app to add the videos to our camera roll. As you can see, it's done, and we can go back to our WhatsApp application and start uploading the videos to our status. I have two 30-second videos in here and one 19-second video. My video was exactly 1 minute and 19 seconds long, so I have splitted the video perfectly. Select your first video, then tap on this little square next to the Add Captions button and add the remaining videos. I will now have my long video ready for WhatsApp, and you can see that it's split into 3 different videos. This is the only way that you can upload long videos on WhatsApp, since they don't give us an option to upload 60-second or longer videos to our status just yet. When my videos finish uploading to my status, you can see how they look like. That's essentially how you can upload long WhatsApp videos to your status with this little trick. If you need more WhatsApp tutorial and how-to videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.